Step into luxury living with this meticulous home. Entertain in style in the formal dining room or convert it into a sophisticated office space to suit your lifestyle. The heart of the home boasts an open floor plan, showcasing a stunning kitchen adorned with white cabinets, quartz countertops, and a corner pantry for ample storage. Gather around the oversized island featuring a charming farm sink, ideal for culinary creations and casual conversations. Discover serenity on the main floor with large bedroom and full bath. Upstairs, retreat to the expansive primary suite featuring double vanities and a lavish open shower, creating a spa-like oasis. 3 additional bedrooms and 2 full baths ensure comfort for family and guests. Embrace modern living in this 2021 built sanctuary, spanning 2,945 square feet, with a picturesque lagoon view to inspire tranquility from you.